How to change hair color on CapCut. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change the hair color on CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and open the project. Now, once you open the project, all you have to do is go to Effects. Now, tap on Body Effects. Here, you'll be seeing many trending effects. You can choose any one you want to add. Now, once you add it, slide left and tap on Roll. Here you can see hair color swap. Tap on it and you can adjust its color from here. You can adjust its texture as well, like this. You can change its intensity from here, like this. Just like that, your hair color will be changed. You can edit it however you want. Let's adjust it to this color. Okay, once you adjust it, just tick mark it and just play the video. As you can see, your hair color has been changed. Let me show you the previous and the present one. This one was the previous one. After the hair swap, it's this one. In this very easy way, you can change your hair color on CapCut. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.